It's like looking at myself from back in 2012 before I lost all my teeth.
Being able to eat the things that I want to eat and being able to smile and not like feeling embarrassed and kind of hide from the public right now. I had to have all my teeth removed in 2012, because I used to be a drug addict, so I hadn't lost all my teeth because of that. Yeah, I had 17 of them pulled all one. Not even 12 years. I wasn't able to really afford me till a year and a half ago or so. I'm gonna tell you this out just to make it easier. It does after like, it doesn't have any glue on at the moment, but normally it's got the glue on it. It lasts about an hour and then it comes loose. Yeah, that and it's hot plate because food sticks to the piece in the roof of the mouth, and that just drives me nuts. About a year and a half ago, and paid for them, and then they didn't fit right, and then the dentist decided to tell me, oh, I thought this might happen. And it's like, why didn't you say that before I spent $1,200 on things? Yeah, my mom decided she's the one who's helped me get these, so it just feels good that she was able to help out and make this come true, I guess. So I really appreciate what she did. I think my anxiety will be a little bit better, you know. Just being able to go have a normal life, I guess, get out in public and things like that. I've been single for over 2 years now. I'd like to meet somebody, things like that. I've been clean for like 3 years now. Yeah, I'm ready to have a better life. It took a lot of courage for me to even show up in the first place because I turned down other dental places because I was just chicken shit. It was embarrassed to go in, you know, so. Everybody's been really nice, really polite, very informative, all that. Been real good. Right now I'm nervous that the surgery, you know, something will come up during surgery and I won't be able to, you know, get teeth, but, you know, just have to wait and see. But still, it's nerve-wracking a little bit. Yes, I am very excited. Can't wait.
Over the last 3 months, things have gotten better. I've been able to eat the things that I pretty much want to eat and things like that. And maybe we'll smile now. It's nice. It's made me feel more positive because I can smile and see my teeth and things like that. Everybody's been really nice and friendly, and you know, they explain things very well. And, you know, the doctor does, and the ladies are really nice. Well, I mean, you can actually see that I have teeth when I talk and stuff like that. I'm sure that goes a long way towards meeting somebody. They feel great. They feel nice and comfortable. They look good. I wish I'd done it sooner.